Morning, student. Today we'll continue with chapter number 12, and the topic is Land of Volcanoes, South America. Today we'll learn about the South America. Special features of the continent of South America. Here is a picture 12.8 स्पेशल अट्रैक्शन ऑफ साउथ अमेरिका। आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं जो वहाँ के अट्रैक्टिव प्लेसेस हैं। South America is the fourth biggest triangular continent in the western hemisphere of the world. South America जो है fourth biggest triangular continent है western hemisphere का पूरे world का। It covers 13% of total land area of the world. The continent of South America comprises of many countries like Argentina, Brazil, Chile, etc. इट्स जो साउथ अमेरिका है 13% टोटल लैंड एरिया है उसका पूरे वर्ल्ड में। एंड जो कॉन्टिनेंट है साउथ अमेरिका में उसमें कौन सी कंट्रीज हैं? अर्जेंटीना, ब्राज़ील, चील एक्सेट्रा। Geographically, South America is generally considered a continent forming the southern portion of America landmass. So this South America उसे माना गया है कि ये ऐसा कॉन्टिनेंट है जो साउथ पोर्शन है अमेरिका के लैंड मास का। द एंडीज रन डाउन द वेस्टर्न एजेस ऑफ द continent, and the land to the east of the northern Andes is larger a tropical rainforest and the vast Amazon River basin. Over there, the Andes mountain ranges run down the western edges of the continent, and the land to the east of North Andes is largely and a tropical forest, tropical rainforest, and there is a vast Amazon river basin. The continent also contain drier regions such as the extremely arid Atacama Desert, Central Plains, the extensive northeastern plateau, and narrow and exceedingly dry coastal plain. Now, various type of natural resources abound in the countries due to its mountain physiography and extensive forest of the Amazon. There are various type of natural resources which are there in the country due to its mountainous physiography and extensive forest of the Amazon. Geographically, South America is far from the continent of Asia, Europe and Australia. Hence, the resources obtained here plays a significant role in political, social and economic life of the people of the continent. Europe, Australia, Asia, irrespective of their geographical distances, plays a significant role in the political, social and economic life of the continental areas. The physiography of South America apparently is seen from the different natural section, mainly Andes Mountain, Central Plain and Northeastern plateaus and narrow coastal plain. Now we will learn about Andes mountain ranges. The Andes is the world highest mountain range outside of Asia. This is the Andes is the world highest mountain range which is out of Asia. It is adjacent to Panama. South of the Horn Mountain is 8,900 km long, approximately 160 to 600 km wide, and 6,000 meters high mountain range. This snow-clad mountain range has 6,900 meter high and peaks as well. The highest peak, Mount Aconcagua, is of volcanic origin, but it is not itself an active volcano. Rises to an elevation of about 6,960 meters above the sea level. South America has over 200 volcanoes, and Ecuador is one of the many countries of this continent that has the most volcanoes. Example, the Chimborazo inactive and Cotopaxi active volcano mountain. The Titicaca is the largest freshwater lake of Bolivia, 275-meter deep, and it is the highest lake situated at 3,660 meters high altitude in the world. The topography of Southern America is varied. There are fertile river basins of the Amazon, Parana, Paraguay, and Orinoco, the highlands, grassland of Patagonia, deserts like Atacama, and torrid and rain forest. Now we will see about the water resources. The origin of most of the river of continent is found in the Andes mountain and eastern highland. The जो origin है rivers के जो continent के वो mostly Andes mountains से found हुए हैं and eastern highland से. The main river of Amazon are the Amazon, Negro, Ronjo, Modra, etc. Amazon is the world's longest river covering a distance of 4,827 kilometers. Now we'll see about the climate, vegetation and wildlife. The central part of the continent of South America is in the torrid region and it thus experiences high temperature and frequent rainfall throughout the year. द सेंट्रल पार्ट जो सेंट्रल पार्ट है कॉन्टिनेंट साउथ अमेरिका वो टॉरिड रीजन में है एंड इसके लिए वो एक्सपीरियंस करता है हाई टेम्परेचर एंड फ्रीक्वेंट रेनफॉल थ्रू आउट द ईयर. चील एंड पेरू इज द साउथ ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट एक्सपीरियंस cold and dry climate due to its neighboring continent Antarctica. The high mountainous region of the Andes experience snowfall too. This continent has 21% forest and 14% grassland of the world. Brazil and Argentina have torrid evergreen forest, pampas, and savanna grassland. The alfalfa grass of pampas is well known. The diversity of animal life in the Amazon River forest is unsurpassed from the rest of the world. Rare species of goat, sheep like the alpa and llama are found there. Whales and seals abounds the sea. Due to the intense rainfall of the torrid region, the lateral soil of the area become infertile and suitable for cultivation. However, the terra roxa soil of Chile, Peru, and Colombia is extremely favorable for the cultivation of coffee. Agriculture and mineral. 60% of the population is involved in agriculture activity in mere 4.2% of total agriculture land area. Over here, 60% of population is involved in agriculture activity, merely 4.2% of total agriculture land is available. Due to the varied climatic conditions, physiography, and soil, the focus of agriculture has slightly altered from shift to planting of cash crop. Thus, apart from a variety of cash crops, vegetable orchards, and horticulture forms developed tremendously. Here, crops like coca, coffee, corn, sunflower, linseeds, and fruits are grown. 90% of the coffee of the world is obtained from countries like Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, and Ecuador. Argentina, Brazil are the leading producer of the wheat and sugarcane. Minerals like manganese, copper, mineral oil, and coal are obtained here. Maximum tin and mineral oil are found. 4.6% of mineral oil of the world is obtained from Venezuela. In the plains of the South America, roadways and the Trans-Andean Railway link Buenos Aires to Lima. Waterways like the Panama Canal are the blessing boom for the country of North America and Japan. And we'll start with the introduction of the country. First is Brazil. Brazil is the biggest country in area in the southern hemisphere and fifth in the world. Its length and breadth is almost the same. Portuguese ruled over Brazil in the olden times. Therefore, people speak Portuguese language. It shares border with each and every country of the South America except Chile and Ecuador. The Amazon rainforest is an incredible diverse ecosystem that is home to new species of plants, animal, insects, birds that are discover every day. Example, anaconda. This is the largest snake is found here. Maximum number of the people live in the eastern part of the country. Among them, 60% of the population live in rural area. Due to industrialization, people move to urban area and Brasilia is the capital of the country. अब ये जो ब्राज़ील कंट्री है ये सबसे बिगेस्ट कंट्री एरिया है साउदर्न हेमिस्फीयर में और फिफ्थ है पूरे वर्ल्ड में। इसका लेंथ एंड विड्थ दोनों सेम है और पोर्चुगीज़ जो थे उन्होंने यहाँ पे रूल किया ब्राज़ील में पुराने टाइम एंड वहाँ के लोग जो है पोर्चुगीज़ इस लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं एंड ये शेयर करता है बॉर्डर सारे जो हैं साउथ अमेरिका के बट चील एंड एक्यूडर्स को नहीं। द अमेजॉन रेन फॉरेस्ट जो है वहाँ का इनक्रेडिबल डाइवर्स इकोसिस्टम है एंड वहाँ पे जो न्यू स्पाइसेस है प्लांट्स एनिमल इंसेक्ट्स बर्ड्स वो डिस्कवर होते हैं हर दिन। जैसे एनाकोंडा जो है लार्जेस्ट स्नैक वहाँ पे पाया गया है एंड मैक्सिमम लोग जो है कंट्री के ईस्ट पार्ट में रहते हैं। उनमें से 60% पॉपुलेशन जो है रूरल एरिया में रहती है बट ड्यू टू इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन लोग जो हैं अर्बन एरिया में चले जाते हैं एंड ब्रासिला जो है एक कैपिटल है इस कंट्री का। Now is the Argentina. Argentina is situated near the Andes mountain. It is triangular in shape. Its width is half of its length from the north to south. It extends till the Antarctica in the south. The warm currents blow from the north to south, passes through many volcanoes there and make the land cold and dry. Mainly wheats and grapes are grown here. European people are seen more in number. 68% of people live in cities and they mainly speak Spanish. Its capital is Buenos Aires. अब अर्जेंटीना जो है वो कहाँ है एंडीज माउंटेन के नज़दीक एंड ये ट्रैंगुलर शेप में है। इसका विड्थ जो है हाफ लेंथ है नॉर्थ टू साउथ एंड ये एक्सटेंड होता है एंटार्क्टिका साउथ तक एंड जो वहाँ पे जो करंट आते हैं blow from the earth, it's from north to south and it passes through many volcanoes there and so because and it makes the land cold and dry and वहाँ पे mainly wheat and grapes जो हैं वो grow होते हैं and यूरोपियन पीपल यहाँ ज़्यादा पाए जाते हैं। 68% जो लोग हैं सिटीज़ में रहते हैं एंड वो लोग स्पेनिश लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं एंड इसका कैपिटल जो है ब्यूनोस एरीज है। Now is the Europe. We can know about new things from the internet. Moreover, we can make friends in far off places or country. Bhavya had made friend with Alphonse from Paris and he had sent beautiful snap of different places of Europe. Let us see and learn about it. अब हम ये जानते हैं कि जो इंटरनेट है उससे हम काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें जान सकते हैं एंड कहाँ दूर दूर पे दूसरे कंट्रीज़ एंड किसी और स्टेट्स में हम फ्रेंड्स बना सकते हैं दूर दूर तक एंड जो ये भव्या है इसने भी एक फ्रेंड बनाया अल्फोनस जो पेरिस का है एंड इसने इसको अच्छे से पिक्चर्स भेजे अलग अलग प्लेसेस यूरोप के। नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट इट। The biggest peninsula of the world, Eurasia, is separated from Asia by the Ural Mountain. Lake Ladoga is the largest freshwater lake of the world, which is located in the Russia. It is spread over 1,60,000 square kilometer and 64 crore people live in this continent. Bhavya, I shall now tell you about the perennial river. The Rhine, Volga, Danube, etc. are the main rivers. Sorry, over here it is 1 crore 6 lakh square kilometer and 64 people live in this continent. Vegetation and climate, land and agriculture. The effect of the physiography and climate is seen on the land of Europe. Norway and Sweden, located to the north of Europe, has grey soil, while southern Europe has dark brown Chernozem soil. The Mediterranean region is famous for its orchards of citrus fruit, its wheat and corn crop. अब जो इफेक्ट है फिजियोग्राफी एंड क्लाइमेट का जो देखा गया है यूरोपियन लैंड पे एंड नॉर्वे एंड स्वीडन जो है वहाँ लोकेट होते हैं नॉर्थ ऑफ यूरोप एंड इट इज़ हैविंग ग्रे सॉइल एंड वाइल जो साउथ यूरोप है वहाँ पे डार्क ब्राउन चर चेरनोज़ेम सॉइल है एंड जो मेरिडियन रीजन है वहाँ का फेमस है सिट्रस फ्रूट के लिए एंड व्हीट एंड क्रॉप्स कॉर्न क्रॉप्स के लिए. The European continent is divided into two parts, east and west, due to its physiography. Here, 75% people are engaged in agriculture, whereas in the plains of the Eastern European and in the mountain region of Western European, only 25 people are involved in farming. जो यूरोपियन कॉन्टिनेंट है दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड है ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स फिजियोग्राफी. 75% जो लोग हैं एंगेज्ड हैं एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज़ में, वेयरएज जहाँ पे प्लेन्स ऑफ ईस्टर्न यूरोपियन एंड माउंटेनियस रेंजेस है वेस्टर्न यूरोप में सिर्फ 25 लोग जो हैं फार्मिंग में इन्वॉल्व है. Mineral and industry. The western part of the Ural Mountain of Europe produces 56% of the minerals of the world. It produces mainly iron, coal, bauxite, and potash. Coal is obtained from Ruhr province of Germany and iron from Kuno province of Russia. Due to this, iron steel industry has developed well in Europe. In comparison to area, the density of population is more in Europe than other continents. Most of people live in this city. Russia is the biggest country in terms of area. Moscow is the capital of Russia. The rivers of Russia and Europe are long, which freeze in winter. Only 10% of land of European and Russia is suitable for agriculture. 50% of working people are dependent on agriculture. Its main crop is wheat. 25% of total production of wheat world is produced in Russia. England is situated on the seaside, having modern ideology and technology. It enjoys a moderate climate in winter due to the warmer current that flow from Atlantic Ocean. The heat reduces its move from west to east. 4% of land England is covered बाय फॉरेस्ट. कोल इज़ द मेन मिनरल प्रोड्यूसर. अब हम देखेंगे रशिया जो है बिगेस्ट कंट्री है इन टर्म वाइज एरिया वाइज. मॉस्को जो है कैपिटल है रशिया का एंड जो रिवर्स है रशिया के यूरोप के आर लॉन्ग एंड जो फ्रीज हो जाते हैं विंटर में. ओनली 10% जो लैंड है यूरोप एंड रशिया का वो सूटेबल है एग्रीकल्चर के लिए. 50% वहाँ के लोग जो डिपेंड है एग्रीकल्चर पे है एंड इसका मेन क्रॉप वीट है. 25% जो टोटल प्रोडक्शन जो वीट का है वर्ल्ड में वो रशिया में प्रोड्यूस होता है. अब है इंग्लैंड. इंग्लैंड इज़ सिचुएटेड. जो इंग्लैंड है सिचुएटेड है सी साइड में. वहाँ का मॉडर्न टेक्नोलॉजी आइडियोलॉजी एंड वो इंजॉय करता है मॉडरेट क्लाइमेट विंटर सीजन में ड्यू टू द वार्म करंट्स दैट फ्लो फ्रॉम अटलांटिक ओशियन एंड हीट रिड्यूसेस, वहाँ पे हीट जो है कम हो जाती है एंड वो मूव होती है वेस्ट टू ईस्ट। 4% जो लैंड है इंग्लैंड का वो कवर्ड है फॉरेस्ट से। कोल जो है मेन मिनरल है वो यहाँ प्रोड्यूस होता है। फ्रांस इज़ द बिगेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी ऑफ यूरोप एंड पेरिस एंड इज इट्स कैपिटल। It is shaped like a hexagon. Mont Blanc, 4,813.20 meter, the highest peak of Western European, is located in France. River Seine, the longest river of France, is used as a waterway. Wheat is produced in France. Minerals such as coal, iron, bauxite, and salt are available here in less क्वांटिटी। फ्रांस जो है सबसे बिगेस्ट डेमोक्रेसी कंट्री है यूरोप एंड पेरिस जो है इसका कैपिटल है एंड ये शेप है लाइक हेक्सागन। एंड माउंट ब्लैंक जो है हाईएस्ट पीक है वेस्ट यूरोप का जिसका हाइट है 4,813.20 मीटर एंड ये लोकेटेड है फ्रांस में। एंड रिवर साइनी जो लॉन्ग रिवर है फ्रांस का वो यूज़ होता है एज अ वाटरवे। वीट जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होता है फ्रांस में। मिनरल जैसे कोल, आयरन, बॉक्साइट, सॉल्ट वो अवेलेबल है बहुत ही कम क्वांटिटी में। Now we will learn about Germany. Germany is a landlocked country surrounded by Netherlands, Belgium, Luxembourg, France, Switzerland, Australia, Czech Republic, Slovakia, Poland, Denmark. Berlin is its capital. Germany जो है countries है इन सारे places से surrounded है and Berlin उसका capital है। Germany is divided into two natural parts: snow deposited soil, sandy plains, mountainous region of Alp in the south. The Oder, Elbe, Rhine are the main rivers of the Germany. Most of the rivers are used as a waterway. There is a differences in climatic condition of the eastern and western part of Germany. As we move from west to east, the winter are colder and summer are hotter. In South Germany, winter is moderate. You can see the picture 12.8 special places of Europe. Over here it is given. The effect of climate is seen on the vegetation, coniferous forest in the cold regions, whereas in the moderate provisions oak, beech, as beech trees are found. Coal and iron are obtained from Ruhr and Thyssen. Germany is the leading country of the world in engineering industry. The main cities of Germany are Munich, Hamburg, Frankfurt, and Stuttgart. Thank you, students. We'll continue in the next class.